Hi guys, Paul Dexter here. There's a lot going on at JetBuilt. Let me jump into it now. First off is JetBot Drawings. About a month ago, I announced drawings and invited those of you who want to test these drawings to come in. And the response was unbelievable. Hundreds of you want to test this drawing functionality, which I would as well. And we're very excited for that and grateful for the enthusiasm. We could only allow 50 companies in at the start, but in the next couple of days, we'll be bringing in another 50. And we're just trying to control the amount of feedback we get, the amount of, they're not ready yet. Drawings aren't really ready yet. That's why we call it testing. Every day we learn from your comments and we improve things. You can now change models if a device comes back, maybe a custom device, a wall plate that you design comes back and the ports are on the wrong side or it misinterpreted them. You can say, nope, this was supposed to be this. And now it'll rebuild your model, both for a custom model as well as a standard model out there in the public marketplace. A lot of things like that, the way we're handling saving, the way we're handling exporting and various things. Stay tuned to your email box because you will be invited in or allowed in on that pre-flight test here over the course of the next couple of weeks or so. Next up, AV Awards is this Friday night, which is my wife's birthday, so I'm taking her with me. Very excited to be a finalist in their Technology of the Year category. JetBot Service Desk. Those of you who aren't using it, you should be digging into that for your service department. Unbelievable the power that JetBot can solve outages in a system with the end user, like just kind of answering some questions and taking a look at if a connection was lost or rebooting a device or any of those types of things. And then if it can't fix it, it can send a truck on your behalf to go fix it based on permissions that you set up and so forth. And of course, this is going to take us towards ISE. We're looking forward to ISE in Barcelona. It's just a few months away now. Time is flying by as it always does. And I almost forgot Jetbuilt Summit a few weeks ago. It was an amazing time. The best summit we've had, which is obvious. It should be the best summit. They should continue getting better and better year by year. But thanks to you for coming. You were an amazing group. Nashville was amazing. The weather was amazing. That evening, getting to know each other on the rooftop was unbelievable with a great view and great weather. Next year, Summit will be in Denver. We'll be announcing the dates soon. I believe we already have them, but since I forgot what they are, you're going to hear about that shortly. And we will look forward to seeing you there. So I guess that's enough for today. Until next time, this is Paul Dexter signing off. Thanks for using JetBuilt.